Alrighty guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install a Camco 90-degree hose elbow for your water system. Let's get her done. Alright guys, what you see in front of you right here are all the tools you're going to need to change out what you may have as far as your water system connection to your RV. If you look at mine here, I have a straight line coming out of my RV. Now, what you see here is a water regulator. This is a no-no. I did not put this here. This was there when I got it, and it's also not working very well. So this water regulator is coming off, so basically the connection of that elbow is going to go right here. That's going to allow the 90-degree to go down and me to connect up here. Now what that does is that allows me to remove the stress on the hose as it's connected to the RV. That is a big thing. You don't want stress on your hose. You can actually put damage on your lines here, which you can see I'm not very connected very well to anything here. And you can also put stress on your hose, which could damage your hose also. So let's look at the tools that you're going to need to take out this little project here. Obviously you're going to need your 90-degree hose elbow. Now this one just happens to be from Camco. I believe Valterra sells some of these, and there's probably some other products, companies out there that sell these too. But I got this from the large box store here in McAllister, and it's very convenient for me to get there. So you need one of these guys here. If you look at this guy here, let's take a look at it. On one end, this is the hose end. This is what your water hose connects to. It's already got that black gasket in there. This side, it doesn't. Now, on mine, I'll show you real quick. If you look on here, you see what they did is they put plumber's tape on here. Okay, I get it. That's not a problem. I just don't like that. So I'm going to put a gasket on that guy, on that side, and that should do just as well as the plumber's tape. So besides your 90-degree elbow, you're going to need two tools. I've got some vice grips here. That one will hold one side while I turn the other side with a pair of pliers. And these are water hose washers. So I said that they were using plumber's tape. I'm going to use a water hose washer. It's going to do the exact same thing. Some people would use both. Both to me is overkill, but I guess it's all to whoever wants to do it. So let's go ahead and get into it, guys. Okay, so here is what we're going to remove as this old not working regulator. So let me grab my vice grips here and find out where I need to be at as far as holding this in here. All right, so we got it gripped on there. So what I'm going to do now is take my pliers and basically unscrew this guy from over here. And it wasn't on there very difficult, guys. I mean, I just barely touched it and it came loose. I'm doing my best to try not to make too much waves here. I don't want to damage my lines at all. And actually, guys, if you look, there was a gasket in there. So they gasketed, and like I said, they also put plumber's tape. Not necessary, guys. Here is the gasket that came out of the water regulator, and it is a rubber gasket that has been in there for a very long time. I think the only thing that was actually keeping this gasket in here was the fact that it was plumber's tape and this, and it wasn't plumber tape very well. So nevertheless, we're done with this guy. We're going to replace him with this guy. So let's go ahead and put it on. So what we're going to do, I'm going to get in here, just make sure everything's good, looks good. So we'll just go ahead and pop it in there. You don't have to make sure your gasket doesn't have to be completely flush in there. You just want to make sure that it's in there far enough for you. When you start screwing it in, that gasket will go ahead and start, the elbow will start pressing down and get your pressure. So what you want to try to do is, when we're done, this is what I want to see. I want to see it a 90 degrees straight up and down like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and screw it on here. Alrighty, it's on there, guys. So now what we have here is, we'll be able to take our hose, connect it here, twist it on, and now water will go in through here, through the lines, and into the pipes of this of the RV, out of the faucets for regular use. So that's it, guys. That's how you install the Camco 9-degree hose elbow on your system. Mine was a little different, like I said, because there was a water regulator that was actually on the RV side, and that is a no-no. Should be on the park side, always. And that is it, guys. If you have any questions, any comments, put them below for me, fellas. And I appreciate everybody's support. We'll see you next time on Campering with Camo. It's your boy.